Hello, sir. Can I help you? Can I help you, sir?
Who are you?
I'm the supervisor. Can I ask what you're doing?
What's your name?
Can I ask you what you're doing?
Do you have a name?
Yeah, I have a name. What are you doing?
May I ask your name?
Excuse me one moment. I'll get the postmaster.
How's it going, sir? Sir, can I talk to you over here? Can we just talk over here?
What's wrong with talking to me here?
I just want to talk to you in front of my car where we're not in front of the entrance and we can just have a little peaceful conversation. That's all I want. All right, go ahead and walk.
I prefer you in front of me.
No, I'm not going to walk in front of you, sir. That's officer safety reasons. We can walk that way. Walk towards my car.
You're making me walk backwards, guys.
Sir, I'm not making you walk backwards. You're walking backwards yourself.
Well, I gotta keep you on camera, so
okay. You can keep me on camera. I just want to talk to you. That's all I want to do.
I don't appreciate being on the camera without my permission. That's against the
How far am I being detained?
No, we're gonna.
Am I being detained?
Sir, you're being detained right now just for trying to figure out what's going on here. That's all I'm trying to do. Is we got called? There's a verbal disturbance here.
Could you back up just a little bit?
No,
6
sir.
feet?
We're gonna walk back here.
6 feet, please.
We're gonna walk back in front of my car. Front of my car.
So I'm being detained.
You are being detained, yes, sir.
For what crime?
There is a verbal disturbance here. That's all I need to investigate. All right.
Verbal disturbance?
Yes, sir. I need your driver's license or an ID card.
What's going to happen to me if I don't give you my documents?
I have to know who you are so I can trespass you if required. So that's all I need to know.
Verbal disturbance is a crime.
Sir.
So I'm being accused of a crime.
You are not being accused of a crime. That's what I'm trying to explain.
Detained?
This encounter starts the way so many police audit confrontations do. Calm, quiet, and deceptively routine. A man is standing in public filming. No crime, no chaos, just a camera. But within seconds, multiple officers close in, and the tone instantly shifts. Instead of asking why he's there, the first instinct is control. Names are demanded, movement is ordered. Officer safety becomes the justification, even though the man is compliant, verbal, and recording everything. The moment the officer claims he's being detained, the stakes explode. This is the turning point where curiosity turns into confrontation. A vague call of a verbal disturbance is introduced, yet no one can explain who was disturbed, what was said, or when it happened. And just like that, filming in public has transformed into an investigation, not because of a crime, but because of discomfort. This opening segment sets the tone. Authority meets resistance, and neither side is backing down.
Because there was a verbal disturbance. All right, we're not going to go down this route.
Verbal disturbance.
We're not going to go down this route. All right,
who's the
we're
victim?
Just going to have a conversation.
What route are we not going to go down?
Gosh, sir, can you just listen to me?
Are you becoming frustrated?
Are you becoming frustrated?
No, sir. I just want to know my rights.
Do you really want to go down this route? That's what I'm trying to find.
I would just like to know what my rights are in this situation.
Just like all your rights everywhere else. You're in America. You have all your rights.
You have a name and badge number?
It's right here. My name's right there.
Your name is right here?
Right there. It's on. You can put it on camera. I don't care, sir. I need to know
his camera is your camera activated right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure it's on.
It's been on this entire time.
It's covering your name.
You can have my card. I do not care, sir. I need to M3rd.
Say again?
Yes, sir. M3rd. All right. I just need to know who you are so that I can figure all this out. Then we can go about our merry way. That's all I need to figure out.
Okay, who has complained against me?
Multiple people, along with the post office. So
do you have their names?
I don't, because I'm not sitting in front of my computer. I need to know your name. What is your name?
Why do you need to know my name?
So if I have to trespass you, I need to know who I'm trespassing. It's kind of hard to trespass an unknown person, isn't it?
So I'm being detained right now.
Who are you?
I'm being detained right now for filming. Because it's all on. So there was no
no.
verbal disturbance.
That's what I'm getting told. There was a verbal disturbance,
Okay, well,
citizen
I got it
dispute.
all
That
on
is what I'm
video.
here for.
I got it all on video. There was no verbal disturbance.
Well, that's what I'm here for. I don't know because I've been talking to you since I got here, correct?
Okay,
correct?
Am I being accused of a crime?
Sir, I need to figure out what's going on. I need to identify who you are and who everybody else is involved in this whole thing.
I don't understand why you need to know who I am to decide whether there was a crime being committed.
Gosh. Sir, what's your name?
Can you just de-escalate a little bit?
I am de-escalating. I am
It
not
looks like you're
riled
getting
up.
very frustrated.
Well, tell me who you are.
Well, I don't want to give you up my Fourth Amendment rights.
You're not giving up your Fourth Amendment
Unless
rights.
you're going to threaten me with arrest, I'm not going to volunteer any information to you.
Sir, who are you?
Again, unless you threaten me with arrest, I'm not going to identify.
What is your name?
Again, what will happen to me if I do not give you my identity?
If there's a crime, then I'm going to charge you with multiple crimes.
If there's a crime?
If there was a crime that was committed, or if you're trespassing, or anything like that, then I'm going to charge you with obstruction.
Okay. Well, until you tell...
And delaying and interfering with my investigation. That is what I'm going to charge you with. It's just like if you were driving down the roadway and you do not provide a driver's license or ID card.
Now the conversation tightens, and so does the pressure. The officer insists he needs the man's identity, not because he's accused of a crime, but because he might be trespassed later. That logic raises immediate red flags. The filmer pushes back calmly, repeatedly asking the most important question of all, am I being accused of a crime? And notice what happens. The officer never gives a straight answer. Instead, the justification shifts. First, it's a verbal disturbance, then it's investigation, then it's trespass, all without facts, names, or evidence. As the filmer asserts his Fourth Amendment rights, the officer grows visibly frustrated, attempting to steer the conversation away from legality and toward compliance. This is where the power struggle becomes obvious. The camera isn't just recording anymore, it's exposing uncertainty. And the more the questions sharpen, the more the officer's authority starts to wobble.
To prove who you are,
can we get a supervisor here, please?
I have 2 other deputies here.
Okay.
I don't need a supervisor.
Talk to a supervisor.
Why do you need to talk to a supervisor?
Because I don't believe you know the law.
Okay.
You're not respecting my constitutional rights.
I am here to do a job, right? And I got called here lawfully and told that there was a citizen dispute and a verbal disturbance.
And I told you that I don't...
And I am not here to argue with you about the verbal disturbance. I need to know who's identified on what crimes and what stuff so I can investigate what's going on.
Okay, for the third time,
and then I
would like to talk to a supervisor, please. Please.
2334, 2336.
Kootenai County Sheriff, guys.
Can you come over to this location? What's your first name?
You can call me Good Citizen.
I'm not going to call you a good citizen. I want to talk to you like a human being. I want to know your name. That way I can talk to you.
Sir is fine.
19, can you go ask what's going on? And find out what they want done.
3 cars out here for a guy with a camera. 3 squad cars.
It could be all resolved very quickly, sir.
Are you going to get a supervisor here, sir?
I already called my supervisor.
Thank you.
Since you're not going to give up your name or anything like that, you are delaying my investigation, just so you're aware. I just want you to be aware. That's all I want.
Well, I just want you to be aware that I'm not going to give you my ID unless you threaten to arrest me. I don't want to go to jail.
Why would I threaten to arrest you? I'm not going to threaten to arrest you. I'm just going to arrest you if I have a crime or something. You realize that, right? I'm not going to threaten to arrest you.
I want to give you my ID if you're going to arrest me. If it can stop me from being arrested, if giving you my ID stops me from going to jail, then I'm going to give you my ID.
Well, that'd be nice.
Okay, but If I don't have to give you my ID, I don't want to give you my ID.
What are you doing, man?
Filming,
Like what, this? That's
Yep.
not too pretty. It's kind of a snowy day.
analytics, filming, COVID-19.
You don't have anything better to do today?
You guys don't have to wear masks.
I'm like 6 feet away from you. Right?
Well, he come right up on me. I asked him to step away, he wouldn't do it. He started getting very agitated.
I know the guy for years. He doesn't get agitated.
Well, I got it on film, bud.
Oh, man. Bet you do.
Yeah. What's your name and badge number? You want to identify?
We don't have badge numbers.
You're the public servant here. You're the one that's supposed to identify, not the public.
Well,
you're not our
if
master. You're not our master.
I'm not saying I'm your
Then
master.
stop acting like it. Stop.
Why are you going down this route? What is
What
behind
route are
all
you
this?
talking?
Like,
Please-
why are you trying to do this? What is your purpose right now?
Well, right now I'm just standing up for my Fourth Amendment rights, and you don't seem to like that. It irritates you.
It doesn't irritate me.
Sure it does.
I love the Constitution.
You don't have a right to know who I am. If I haven't
When-
broken the law, you have no authority over me. You've illegally detained me now for about 10 minutes.
This is boiling point. The moment where words turn into threats. The officer now escalates from requests to warnings. Obstruction charges are mentioned. Arrest becomes a looming possibility. The filmer is accused of delaying an investigation, even though the investigation itself still lacks a defined crime. Multiple units arrive. A supervisor is called. The physical presence increases. A classic show of force meant to pressure compliance. But the filmer doesn't raise his voice. He doesn't insult. He simply stands his ground. What makes this segment so powerful is the contradiction. The officer claims he won't threaten arrest. He'll just arrest if he feels like it's justified. That statement alone exposes how fragile the situation has become. At this stage, the badge is no longer projecting confidence. It's reacting, and the camera is capturing every crack.
Okay. If you would like to leave, you can leave.
Well, you just told me I was detained.
Yeah, well, this crime
Well,
was
if I'm
occurring,
free to
but
leave,
if you're
I'm free
gonna
to stay.
if you're gonna leave, then
If I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay.
then we're not gonna go back there.
Why are you standing in front of me? You just said I was free to
We're not gonna go
leave.
back there because I
I'm
gotta
going
figure
that
out what's
way.
going on back there. But if you're gonna walk down the
Am
road,
I
I don't
free to-
care.
If I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay. Am I detained? Am I detained?
Let me figure out
You
what's
see
going
how he
on
won't
over
tell
here.
me whether I'm detained or not? This is a tyrant right here.
Okay, this.
He will not tell me whether I'm being detained
You want to
because
go
he's a
down
tyrant.
this? I am.
This is the Kootenai County Sheriff's
Okay.
Department, guys.
Really?
Am I detained?
If
For
you're
the-
gonna walk
for the
away,
fifth
if you're gonna
time.
walk away, then go ahead. But if you're not gonna walk away, if you're gonna stay here, then I need to figure out what they want to do if they
Well,
want
this
to trespass.
This is public property. You can ask me to leave, but you can't trust me from public property. Did you take an oath to the Constitution?
Okay. All right.
Oh, man, it's cold. Hey, man, all that I ask you do is just maybe not stick.
You can ask all you want,
Try to
bud.
keep your 6 feet from
What's
people.
your name and badge number?
But you can go stand there all you want in video.
Hey, what's your name and
Nothing wrong
badge
with it.
number?
All right?
What's your name and badge number?
We don't have
That's
badge
all I
numbers.
know. That's all I need to know, sir. That's all it was.
They won't identify. They come up here like a tyrant. The walk of shame. The walk of shame. That's what you're doing right now.
And now comes the unraveling. The tone softens. The threats fade. Small talk replaces commands. Suddenly, the man is told he's free to leave, but when he asks if he's still detained, no one will answer directly. This is where the filmer delivers the line that seals the moment. If I'm free to leave, I'm free to stay. The officers hesitate. They reposition. They disengage. What started as a detention over a supposed disturbance ends with no charges, no trespass, and no arrest. The authority that arrived loud and confident quietly retreats, exposed not by aggression, but by knowledge and calm persistence. The final message lands hard. This wasn't about safety or law enforcement. It was about control, and control failed.